Hi, I'm Danny Searing with FloodGate Medical. 2021 has been anything but an ordinary year, especially in healthcare. With that, we have seen a continued explosion in the health IT space that is no doubt going to bleed into 2022 and beyond. There's so much that can be said about the state of the MedTech space and the future of growth that we're going to continue to see. Today, though, I want to share with you 3 top MedTech trends that I believe will have some of the biggest impact in 2022. The first is going to revolve around the continuous race to collect and track patient data. We've already seen health systems invest a ton in updating and adopting new EMR platforms to improve their workflow. However, for this to be effective, requires timely and high-quality data. This is where a company like Celerity comes in. Their capture and index solution combines optical character recognition and artificial intelligence to dramatically accelerate the conversion of healthcare documents into properly structured and indexed electronic medical records with over 99% accuracy. Data does not serve the health system or, frankly, anyone if it's on a sheet of paper or under a computer cart in the supply closet. So, the continued improvement and adoption of these practices will be crucial to tracking that data over the years to come. Second, I hate to beat a dead horse on this one, as you've probably heard it 1,000 times, but remote patient monitoring is here to stay, and it will continue to be an important trend across all of healthcare in 2022. We saw the boom over the last couple of years, and all the studies continue to support its effectiveness, making the race for both MedTech companies and health systems to adopt even stronger. One company to be on the lookout for in this space is ClearArc Health. They look to continue to gain market share with their unique platform that offers the option to integrate both their personal emergency response system and their Mobile Vitals remote patient monitoring all in one base station. What this allows physicians to do is not just have a one-size-fits-all solution, but to be able to customize programs to the patient needs without adding extra costs where they don't need it. And it offers the flexibility of expanding and adding features in the future as needed without replacing equipment. Lastly, I want to shine a spotlight on a company looking to change the paradigm of how to handle medical overstock in the US. You probably haven't heard of them yet, but RevMed is a startup out of Texas that has built a first-of-its-kind e-commerce platform that is designed to facilitate the exchange of medical overstock between hospitals, surgical centers, and private practices across the country. The platform, termed to be like a niche eBay for med device, will help to minimize losses in specialized resources and capital. Be on the lookout because they're beginning deployment of the platform in early 2022 and are poised to take the market by storm. If successful, this could change the entire way that healthcare facilities look at their overstock to turn it into something where they can easily add revenue without increasing expenses. It's safe to say that I could keep going on and on with how much the health IT space is growing. Stay tuned throughout the year for more updates on the state of health IT, new and emerging technology, our live reporting from the HIMSS conference, and much more. Thanks for your time today, and Happy New Year.